Hi, welcome back to channel. I'm Monica. In today's video, I will explain what are the views in Jira Product Discovery, how you can create them and manage. Let's learn first what are the views in Jira Product Discovery. If you are working with lots of ideas, then it helps to look at your ideas in different ways, and that's where the views come in. They help you to organize and display your ideas based on what you need. Let's suppose if you want to sort your ideas on the basis of priority, status and timeline, then you can do this in the view. And they are also very good in sharing. If you want to share your views with the internal teams, stakeholders or leadership team, you can do this. For example, your team might need all of the information, like they want the deadlines, they want due dates, priority, all of the fields they want in their view. Then you can design a different view for your team. But if you are sharing it with the leadership team, then definitely you want to keep it simple and very high level view, where just you want to show like what was planned and what's and when it's happening. So that's where the views comes in the picture in Jira Product Discovery. In the Jira Product Discovery, we have the four types of view. One is the list view, matrix view, board view, and the timeline view. So let's go and see how these view looks like in Jira Product Discovery and how we can create and manage them. This is my sample JPD project, my discovery project, and here we have the all ideas, and this is the list view, which is the default view of the JPD, where we have the list of our ideas along with the fields. So in the list view, you can have the list of your ideas in just like in the spreadsheet view, where you have a column and you have an option to filter your ideas. You can group by any field. Right now here I have grouped by category, and you can sort them. If you will click on sort, then you can sort your ideas based on the fields. In the list, you can choose the field here, and you can also add the field, like here we have a option to show and hide the fields in the view. Let's suppose if you want to hide this goal, you can do it. You can hide the impact and effort. It's up to you what kind of feature you want to show or hide in your view. Here we can also add more fields. You can see this plus icon, go and choose the fields from the list, and you can add the field in the view. So this is the list view in the Jira Product Discovery, and if you want to share this view, you can go here, copy the link, and then you can share it. And even you can mention the people and emails, and then you can share this view with your team members. If you want to share it publicly, or if you want to make it open, then you can go and click on this publish icon, but there is some limitation if you want to share the publicly. So if I will come to the impact assessment, then this is the list view, where I have the list of my all the ideas grouped by customer segment and the filter by customer segment and three more, like here, and showed by impact score. Then I can like select other fields, but right now just sorting by impact score. So here if I will go and click on the publish, then it is showing me you cannot publish it publicly, because the fields are preventing the publishing of your view, because they are displayed or used for grouping, sorting and filtering. So you cannot do that. So if you want to learn more about the unsupported field, then you can do it. So just I want to tell you this limitation about publishing your view and share it with the external people, and it will be completely a read only view if you will publish and then you will share it. Okay, let's come back to the list view. So this is the list view. We have the another view, which is matrix view. If you will come here in the impact versus effort, then this is the matrix view, and matrix view gives you the visualized way where you can compare across two fields. Like here we are comparing across impact and effort. On the x-axis we have effort, and on the y-axis we have impact. The size of the circle will tell you about the value, and the size of the circles depends on the impact. So larger the impact and the bigger the circle is, so it depends on this. And it is providing the better visual way. If you want to prioritize your ideas on the basis of impact and effort, then you can do it. Basically the matrix view plot the two fields, x-axis and y-axis, and easily help you to visualize how your ideas rank against each other. So that's why we create impact versus effort view over here. The another one is the board view. If you will come to the board view, then here we have the now, next, later and won't column. So you can go and choose the column. Here I have selected the roadmap. You can design the board view for your ideas, and you can see and you can visualize, okay, these are the ideas that's is coming in now categories, next, later and won't. The third one is the timeline view, and this is the product timeline view where you can plot your ideas quarterly or monthly, and you can change the date by dragging and drop in the timeline view. So this is the fourth view in the Jira Product Discovery. If I will come to the list view again, then I would say list views are a great starting point to gather the ideas in one place and decide which fields you need to organize and prioritize those ideas. So this is the great starting point. If you are new in Jira Product Discovery, go and start with the list view. I have shown you how these views looks like in the Jira Product Discovery. Now we will go and check how we can create and manage these views here in JPD. We have an option. This is a plus icon. You can see when you will click here, you will find the list of the views, list view, board, timeline and the matrix view. I have already explained. And the best way to organize your views here in the left sidebar to create the section. Let's suppose if you are creating different views for teams, then you can go and create the section which is the team view kind of, or you can move any kind of, let's suppose I am moving this impact assessment inside the team view, and now the impact assessment inside the team view section. And when you will come here in the roadmap, we already have the product roadmap here, and if you want to create a one section for the delivery, one section for the product timeline, then you can do it. It's a good practice to create the section and then organize your views according to the sections. Okay, so here we will click on plus, and then we will go and create the board view. Let's go and click the board view. This is the new view. Click here and then you can change the name. Let's suppose which is board view in video. You can like this, then go to the columns, and here you can choose a roadmap, and this is how the view will look like. If you don't want to show this, then you can also show and hide the columns. This is how you can do this. There is also the product timeline, the roadmap. If I will go to the product roadmap, so this is how the product roadmap is looking like, and this is also the board view that I have created previously. Now I want to embed, or you can say I want to show this particular roadmap in the Confluence page. Then how I can do that? I can go here in the sharing. I will just copy the link, then I will come back to the Confluence. I will edit my page here, and then I will go and paste it. When you will paste it, this is how the product roadmap from the Jira Product Discovery will look like in the Confluence. You can adjust its width and height accordingly, and there are a lot of options about the alignment. You can go and explore this. This is how we can embed, or you can say we can show our product roadmap from the Jira Product Discovery to the Confluence directly. Now come back to the Jira Product Discovery over here and then cancel. Here we have created this product roadmap as well as one board view. If I'll come here in the board view in video, then here in the columns you can go and choose. Right now it's roadmap, but if you want to go by category, then you can also do that. So the field you can choose according to your own requirement. This is the roadmap here as of now. You can group by, you can filter, you can sort, and you can also choose the fields. If you are in the board view, then these are the cards. Like you can see, these are the cards MDP 14, 11 or 5. You can also add more fields here if you want to show in the cards. Let's suppose you want to see the assignee, then you can do it, and you can see the assignee is there. And here we have key, summary, and assignee. If you don't want to show the assignee, you can go and just hide it from the card view. Here I would like to show the impact and the impact score, and this is how this my idea in the card view will look like. So you can also do that. If you want to create a new field, then definitely you can create a new field also. I have created a different video about how you can manage and create the different types of fields in the Jira Product Discovery. So link is mentioned over here, and I have mentioned the link in the description box. Go and check it out before watching this video. Now let me close this one, and here we also have an option. If you will go here in the cart layout, we have the two options, detailed or compact. If you go with the compact, then this is how it will look like, but I always prefer to go with the detailed one. So this is how I can do this. And we also have an option to auto save is enabled. So if you want to disable the auto save, you can also do that, but it's preferred to make it enable, so that whatever the changes you are making in the view, it's saved automatically, because we are human being and we forget to save sometimes. So it's okay if you will make it enable. And there is also one option to export the view as in JPG or CSV. So there are the two ways you can export your views, as a JPG and CSV. If you want to save it as a new list or save as a new board, then we have these options are available here. That's how we create and manage our views in Jira Product Discovery. If you found this video, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ask your questions in the comments below. Definitely I will reply about your questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.